In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create your very own AI-driven application using no-code platforms. This guide is perfect for those who aren't programmers but still want to leverage the power of AI in their projects. First, the critical step is choosing an AI platform that aligns with your app development goals. Platforms like Lovable AI, Base 44, Claude, or Tropics API offer a variety of tools and resources to get you started on creating your app with minimal hassle. Once you've settled on a platform, the next step is to sign up and explore the array of no-code app building templates available. These templates are invaluable as they provide a framework that can save you time and ensure you don't have to start from scratch. Take your time here, navigate through the templates thoroughly, and select one that fits your vision for the app. After you've chosen the right template, it's essential to define your app's purpose clearly. Think about what problems or tasks your app aims to address, and identify the AI features necessary to achieve these objectives. Whether it's natural language processing, image recognition, or other advanced capabilities, understanding this early will guide you in the following steps and focus on the development process. With a clear purpose in mind, you can move on to the building phase, where you'll use intuitive drag-and-drop editors along with AI content generators available on these platforms. These tools make it remarkably easy to assemble your app structure and populate it with content without the need for any coding expertise. Here, creativity is key, and don't be afraid to experiment and iterate until you get it just right. Even though these platforms are designed for no-code development, integrating APIs can significantly enhance your app's capabilities. By allowing your app to communicate with other software efficiently, you can introduce complex functionalities smoothly, further elevating the app experience for your users. Don't worry if you're not familiar with how APIs work. These platforms offer streamlined processes for integration, making it straightforward for even novices. With your app built, it's time to test it thoroughly. Run through all the features you've integrated and ensure everything operates as expected. Pay close attention to the user experience, functionality, and possible glitches. Getting feedback from potential users at this stage can also provide valuable insights. Once you're satisfied with your app's performance, it's finally time to deploy it on your preferred platform. Whether you choose a web-based launch or explore mobile app stores, make sure it aligns with your target audience and user needs. And there you have it.